Hello everyone. This video focuses on a very simple, attractive, and straightforward open work pattern consisting of 2 rows and 3 loops. These thin braids are knitted similarly on both sides using 3 loops. The number of loops in the pattern is a multiple of 3 plus 4 edge stitches. We start on the right side. Row 1 is on the right side. After 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is, make 1, yarn over loop, slip 1 loop, the thread is at the back, knit 2, and push them through the slipped loop. Again, yarn over, slip 1, knit 2, and push them through the slipped loop. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After 2 edge loops, the repeat pattern is, make 1, yarn over loop, slip 1 loop, the thread is in front, purl 2, and push them through the slipped 1. Again, yarn over, slip 1, purl 2, and push them through the slipped loop. I've shown you a beginner's knitting that goes well with a variety of summer outfits and accessories because of its delicate open work and minimalist look. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to never miss a video. I hope that you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.